The word joy doesn't have an opposite. Unjoy, nice try, but there is no end to joy. Note that there's even a word that means more joy. This good joy never ends, for the repetition enhances it. Do you know the word? Joy is uplifting, it cannot be dampened, it's ever there. Good, and when two people want to give joy to each other, they Some flowers still poke their heads above the white death rug that was being drawn around them. This then was the smothering of the earth's last warm sweet odors, the sad finale of the perpetual flowering carnations, the blanching of the still green and grassy banks of the stream, summer's last refuge. He again flew like Pegasus as in his dreams, and passed like Santa's elf over the rooftops in the gale, sweeping on through the valleys with the gusts, driving ever onward into the blinding tempest, often by touch and feel alone. God, her skillfuls was stunning, a blanket of sweetness and serenity crept over them as they gazed in wonderment at yet another scene. Rendered by nature's painters, the lovers saw great herds of snapdragons, some of which they opened with a pinch at the right spot, not even remembering where they learned the trick. They found a tangle of honeysuckle mounted on high, the air filled with its sweetness by unseen fairies, blowing the fragrance through the honey trumpet. Men and women can exist in isolation, for the nature of one makes necessary. The other one cannot have the valley without the mountain. Though when men and women join in love, there is wholeness again, below and above. The hardness of the world sallies, a man comes to the valley of the soft mountains to be overcome by woman. The butterfly first rose from the soul of a pansy, says a legend, one of those inexplicable Eden-esque transformations from long before human time, when there was still magic on the earth. The metamorphosis is still rather miraculous, even now, albeit only from a caterpillar. We're putting up and finishing illuminations of gold into our manuscript. For now that the story of old has been lived and proven, it deserves to be told, but it now has to be written and illustrated bold. I ink in the leaves of gold while she checks the pages full. river cliffs offered a stunning view of the Hudson. River from on high, it felt like you were floating in the air. So you'd look and look, for you could hardly take it all in at once. However, the IBMers didn't go there, they were all too busy.